MADHAV'S Pro Tips presents 7 signs you're gonna be super successful. Let's start the video. Number 1, you find happiness in the success of others. Number 2, you can stay calm and logical during stressful situations. Number 3, you see failure as a teaching tool and source of motivation. Number 4, you don't expect others to do things for you. Number 5, you have something to prove to yourself. Number 6, you aren't afraid to express yourself. Number 7, you have a desire to improve. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.